Hey guys, stop scrolling for a second and check this out.
The heart might look like a simple pump, but it is actually a carefully designed 4-room engine. These 4 chambers consist of 2 upper atria and 2.
Would you believe me if I told you that I created this science explainer video using just one AI app and a simple idea? It might seem impossible, but it's true. This entire science explainer video came from a simple idea and just one AI app. No script writing for hours. No complicated animation software. No expensive production team. Just one project idea, and an AI agent creates the entire educational video for you. Imagine turning ideas like, why do volcanoes erupt? How does lightning form? What happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda? The life cycle of a butterfly. How goldfish reproduce. Educational content is booming right now. Millions of students, parents, teachers, and curious viewers are searching YouTube every day to learn something new. From science experiments and school projects to fascinating facts and real-world discoveries. Educational videos continue to attract massive audiences because they are both entertaining and useful. People don't just watch these videos for fun. They watch to learn. They watch to solve problems. And they watch to satisfy their curiosity. That's why educational content is so powerful. It provides lasting value to viewers, which means these videos can continue getting views for months or even years. As a result, they can remain relevant on YouTube and keep generating monetized traffic over time. Stay tuned until the end because today, I'll show you how to create professional explainer videos with the help of a powerful AI tool. This isn't your typical video generator, it's an AI agent that can create an entire explainer video from just a simple idea. Instead of creating a few clips and leaving you to do the rest, this AI works like an intelligent assistant that can transform a simple science project idea into a fully structured educational video. So, don't skip ahead, watch until the end. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own educational explainer videos with just a few clicks. You can start building the educational channel you've always wanted, share valuable content with kids and learners around the world. And if your channel qualifies for YouTube monetization, your videos could continue generating income over time. Let's make it happen. So, what are we waiting for? Grab your laptop or PC, and let's get started.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Now, I'll show you how to create an explainer video using an advanced AI tool. This powerful AI tool can handle the entire workflow for you, from planning the lesson and generating beautiful visuals to animating each scene and producing a professional quality presentation, all with just a few clicks. Yes, we're talking about a complete 3D educational explainer video powered by AI. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? So, without further ado, let's jump right in. The tool I'm talking about is called MagicLight AI. MagicLight AI is an AI-powered video creation platform designed for creators to turn simple text prompts into long-form, story-driven videos with cinematic visuals and consistent characters. It comes packed with powerful features designed specifically for content creators and storytellers. It can generate videos up to 60 minutes long. Its support for 50+ visual styles and 10,000+ character assets. Has strong character consistency for serialized storytelling. Automatically discover trending topics and publish videos. It has channel management features to help creators grow and operate their accounts more efficiently. MagicLight AI is already trusted by a massive global community, with over 20 million registered users and more than 3 million active users worldwide every month. When you open MagicLight AI, you'll discover a wide range of powerful AI tools designed to help you create different types of animation projects with ease. Some of the tools available include Story to Video, World Cup Remix Studio, Interview Video, Short Drama Video, Religious Story, Music Video, AI Video Agent, Image to Video, AI Character, Magic Claw. There's also the Kid Story Video tool. Watch our previous tutorial to learn how to create long-form 3D animated videos for kids. And one of the newest and most exciting additions is the Explainer Video tool. This is the AI tool that will turn a simple idea into a complete educational explainer video for kids. Ready to see the magic? Let's begin. To start creating your educational explainer video with MagicLight, head over to the official MagicLight website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Step 1. Turn your topic into a well-structured and engaging discussion. Once you're on the homepage, click on Explainer Video. This will take you to the Explainer Video Generator, where you can enter any topic you'd like to turn into an educational video. When creating an idea for an explainer video, the goal is to teach one concept clearly and keep viewers engaged. Here are the key things to remember. Choose one clear and specific topic that focuses on a single concept. Think about your target audience and use language that's appropriate for their age and knowledge level. Pick a topic that can be explained step by step with engaging visuals and real-life examples. Keep the information accurate, simple, and easy to understand while maintaining viewers' interest. Most importantly, create content that educates, sparks curiosity, and leaves viewers with a clear takeaway. I prepared my educational explainer video topic in advance, along with the key points I want to highlight in the discussion. My chosen topic is the life of ants. Let's see how the MagicLight explainer video tool turns it into a full discussion. All I need to do is copy my prepared content and paste it into the MagicLight explainer video generator. Step 2. Adjust settings. The next step is to adjust the settings that will help the AI generate the perfect visuals based on your input. Let's start with the visual style. Just click on it and choose the style you want for your explainer video. There are plenty of options available, such as sketch science, flat visuals, science info, claymation, Ghibli style, stick figure, 3D visuals, retro print, cine science, and many more. For my project, I'll go with science info. Next, choose the AI image generation model you want to use. There are many popular models available that can produce high-quality images, including Gemini Flash 3.1, Claude Opus 4.6 and 4.7, DeepSeek V4, Qwen 3.5, GLM 5.2, and many more. Select the one that best fits your project and creative style. For this project, I'll be using Gemini 3.5 Flash to generate the images. It delivers high-quality results while maintaining fast generation speeds, making it a great choice for creating visuals efficiently. Next, select the language of your target audience. There are several language options available. I'll choose English since it is widely used and helps reach a broader global audience. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape format, as it is the ideal format for kids learning videos and provides the best viewing experience on most platforms. Next, set the duration of your explainer video. You can choose a length ranging from 1 minute up to 10 minutes. A 1-minute video typically contains around 12 shots, while a 10-minute video can include up to 120 shots. Keep in mind that AI-generated results may vary depending on the tool and settings used. Each shot usually lasts about 5 seconds when using static image style presentations. However, if you switch to more advanced video generation models, each clip may extend to around 10 seconds, resulting in a longer total video runtime. For this tutorial, I'll create a 1-minute explainer video so the process is quick and easy to follow. This is just to demonstrate how everything works step by step. However, you can choose the duration that best fits your own project. For this type of niche, longer videos often perform better since audience retention is important. Finally, click Next to continue to the next step. It will then take you to the storyboard section, where you can view the automatically generated visuals for your explainer video. As you can see, the images are clear, highly realistic, and visually stunning, with impressive quality. Since this is a 1-minute video, my storyboard is made up of 12 images. Check all your images and make sure they are in the correct chronological order and match the narration. If you notice any errors, you can edit the image prompt section on the right side of the interface. Just add text to describe the changes you want for the image. For example, in this image, I simply added place labels for queen ant and eggs, then click Regenerate. The newly generated image looks even better, so I'll use this one instead. Step 3. Image to video generation. To animate our images in MagicLight, we have 2 options. The first option is to animate the images one by one. This gives us more control over the camera movement and lets us choose different video generators for each image we want to animate. The second option is to animate all images at once. With this method, you only need to select one video generator and MagicLight will animate all the images automatically. This option makes the workflow much faster, easier, and more efficient, especially if you want to save time. Now I'll show you how to animate your images using option 1, which is animating them one by one. First, go to the Animate section, then choose your preferred video generation tool. MagicLight offers several popular models that can create smooth, high-quality videos, such as Seedance 1.5 Pro, Hiluo 2.3, Vidu Q3 Pro, Gemini Omni, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.1 Master, and more. For this tutorial, I'll use Seedance 1.5 Pro as the video generation model. Then, enter a short prompt describing the image and the motion you want to achieve, but this step is optional. Then, choose the camera motion for your video. There are several options available, and you can preview each camera motion style to see which one works best for your scene. Once you've selected your camera motion, simply click Confirm. Then, wait for your video clip to finish generating. Once it's ready, click on it to preview the result. There you go, the video looks great. The movement feels natural, and even the ants' feet on the side animate nicely, so I'd say this clip turned out really well. Now, let's try option 2, which is animating all the remaining images at once. Go to the Animate section, then click Animate All. You'll notice that all the remaining images are automatically selected because they haven't been animated yet. Image 1 isn't selected since we already animated it earlier. Next, choose the video generation model you want to use. I'll continue using Seedance 1.5 Pro to keep the animation quality consistent throughout the entire video. Once you've made your selection, click Confirm. As you can see, MagicLight will start animating all the selected images automatically. Wait for the generation process to finish. When all the video clips are ready, preview each one to make sure everything looks correct. If you notice any issues with a specific clip, just like this clip, the ant is supposed to go inside the hole. To fix this, simply regenerate the animation with a more specific prompt. Simply use the Animate 1 option for that image. Enter a more detailed prompt describing the motion you want, choose a camera movement, and click Confirm to regenerate that clip. There you go, the video has been regenerated. As you can see, this version is much better and matches our script for this scene. Keep this clip selected so it will be included in the final explainer video. Step 4. Adding a voiceover. Click on Voiceover and preview the available voices.
The life of a red ant begins as a tiny...
The life of a red ant begins as a tiny, translucent egg.
The life of a red ant begins as a tiny, translucent egg.
Simply select the voice that best fits your explainer video, then click Confirm. The selected voice will automatically be applied to the narration across all your video clips. Step 5. Adding subtitles and background music. Click Next to proceed to the subtitles and background music section. First, choose the subtitle style you want for your explainer video. Then, go to background music and select the track that best matches your video's theme. You can click on each music track to preview how it sounds before making your choice. Once you've selected your preferred background music, click Generate to continue. Finally, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape format and the resolution to 1080p for the best video quality. Click OK to begin rendering your final video. Wait until your final video is ready. And there you have it, we've successfully created our explainer video. Preview the final result.
The life of a red ant begins as a tiny, translucent egg, carefully laid by the queen deep within the nest. The queen is the heart.
And if everything looks good, simply download your finished video. But before I reveal the final explainer video, let me answer the question you're probably wondering right now: is MagicLight free to use? The answer is yes. MagicLight gives every new user 300 free credits, so you can explore the platform and try its features at no cost. If you want access to more advanced features and higher quality results, you can upgrade to a paid plan, with the standard plan starting at $7.5. With the standard plan, you'll get access to powerful AI models such as Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Seedance, and Kling. It includes up to 130 minutes of video generation, up to 290 seconds of image-to-video generation, up to 60 concurrent animations, and up to 3 concurrent video generations. You'll also get access to the Nano Toolbox, 20% off voice clone, free character and image generation, 1080p HD video exports with no watermark, and a general commercial license for your projects. If you're just getting started with AI video creation, I highly recommend the standard plan. It includes everything you need to create high-quality explainer videos at an affordable price, making it the perfect choice for beginners. However, if you're a content creator who uploads videos regularly or you're running multiple YouTube channels, then the Ultra or Ultimate plan would be a better investment. These plans give you significantly more credits, much longer video generation time, faster workflows with more concurrent animations, and higher usage limits, perfect for creators producing content at scale. And the best part, MagicLight doesn't just help you create videos, it also gives you the opportunity to join exciting challenges and rewards programs. You can participate in creative contests, showcase your work, and even earn free credits or cash prizes by submitting your AI-generated videos. This platform also gives creators the opportunity to earn from the assets they create, such as characters, visual styles, voices, skills, and more. Instead of using your creations only once, you can publish them to the MagicLight Creator Asset Rewards program, where other users can discover and use them. As your assets are used by the community, you can earn ongoing rewards. It's a great way to turn your creativity into a potential source of income while helping other creators build even better AI projects. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to MagicLight today, start creating amazing AI videos, and even explore opportunities to earn online. I've included the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Now, without further ado, here's the final explainer video we created. I hope it inspires you and gives you ideas for your own educational content.
The life of a red ant begins as a tiny, translucent egg, carefully laid by the queen deep within the nest. The queen is the heart of the colony, dedicated entirely to producing new members to ensure the future of her family. Nurse ants immediately surround the eggs, cleaning and protecting them with constant attention to ensure they remain safe and healthy. When the eggs finally hatch, they reveal small, helpless larvae that rely completely on the nurse ants for their survival. Since these larvae cannot move or feed themselves, the nurses diligently bring them food and keep them clean as they grow. After a period of rapid growth, the larva enters the pupa stage, a quiet phase of profound transformation into an adult. Inside the protective pupal casing, the ant undergoes a remarkable change, slowly developing its legs, antennae, and adult body. Once the young ant emerges, it begins its life with simple, vital tasks inside the nest, such as tending to the nursery. As it matures, the ant takes on more complex responsibilities, like cleaning the tunnels or maintaining the structure of the home. Ants forage, seeking sustenance for their colony. Others grow into powerful soldiers, standing guard at the entrances to protect the nest from any outside threats or intruders. Every ant has a specific role, and through this incredible teamwork, thousands of individuals work together to keep the colony thriving.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.